Alright, I'm going to be starting up the Ford today. It's a early 80s LGT 120 for Kohler K301 12 horsepower. And we rebuilt the motor twice. This is the second time. We really didn't rebuild it, we just put a new piston in there, and it starts really hard. I think we might have messed something up with the valves, but I just need to move it out of the garage for right now. So just wanted to show you how hard this thing starts. So, here we go. Plus the battery's a little weak. I'm going to give the starter a break and find my jump pack to throw in there so it turns a little quicker. So we'll get right to it. Let's try it. I like to hurry up and get out of here because although this garage has pretty good flow to it, it gets kind of, fumey, I guess. So there's the project for right now. So that's why I had to clean up in here. We're doing a little suspension work. So anyway, I just wanted to show you how hard that thing starts up. I put the jump pack on there. It started a little quicker. I'm thinking that's because maybe the signal to the coil wasn't as powerful as it needed to be to throw a strong enough spark. So here it is. Pretty good looking tractor. Use it to plow snow. I mean, doesn't run well enough to cut grass with anymore, so I'm going to plan on fixing this thing up real nice eventually. So hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.